Want to hear about one of the most famous personal injury cases in United States history? You may have already heard about it because it was that big of a deal. It was the McDonald's coffee burn case. It was such a big deal that they taught it to us when I was in law school 13 years ago. The big headlines in all the newspapers were a woman receives millions of dollars because she's burned from too hot coffee at McDonald's. But what the media didn't really talk about were the facts of the case. When we looked at it in law school, what we saw was that the woman had received a cup of coffee that was way too hot, and McDonald's knew it. They had received numerous complaints that their coffee was scalding hot, and yet they wanted to sell hot coffee versus thwart the risk of burns. The woman was handed the cup of coffee. She set it in her lap to pull off the lid and add some cream and sugar, and at that moment, boom, it spilled on her legs, causing third-degree burns with skin grafts, which for an elderly woman was horrible. If you can imagine your mother, your grandmother, or yourself, 70 plus, dealing with third-degree burns to your thighs, it was a very nasty situation. So while the headline looked really bad, millions of dollars for spilled coffee, the facts of the case, to me at least, rendered it reasonable.